Though it can be fun and exciting, sometimes college life can also be stressful and complicated. We here at the Counseling Center are here to help you, the students, with navigating coping skills that can help you adjust to college. Our focus is to make sure that you achieve both your academic and personal goals.
Your Campus Counseling Center aims to offer student success opportunities for all students. Anyone can benefit from what the Counseling Center has to offer. No problem is too big or too small. Check out the top 10 things the Tennessee Tech University Counseling Center has to offer.
Number 1, where we are located. The Tennessee Tech University Counseling Center is in the Roaden University Center, room 307. Our office hours are 8 a.m. until 12 noon and 1 p.m. till 4:30 p.m. Our services are free and confidential. Our counselors hold professional licenses in the state of Tennessee. We all adhere to ethical and professional standards. Number 2, we are accessible to you. You can access services and information 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Visit our website at www.tentech.edu/counsel. Find us on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, or Snapchat. If you need to speak with a counselor after hours, please call 931-372-3331 or 855-206-8997 to access our after-hours suicide prevention hotline. This is not a national hotline. This line was developed exclusively for the Tennessee Tech campus community. Number 3, we offer personal counseling. This may include symptoms of depression, stress, or anxiety. We also can assist with interpersonal difficulties such as roommate conflicts, grief, concerns related to body image, thoughts of suicide, or behaviors that may be harmful such as substance abuse. Number 4, we offer career counseling. We assist with questions and concerns regarding career choice and guidance with career-related decision-making. Number 5, we assist with academic counseling. This includes tackling such issues as test anxiety, time management, study skills, and college adjustment issues such as homesickness. Number 6, consultation is available to anyone who has questions or is seeking guidance regarding any concern or issue. Number 7, the Counseling Center sponsors the Soaring Eagles Peer Educator Program. Through our peer education program, students may apply to become peer educators for the Counseling Center. Our peer educators share education on a variety of college life issues and assist with our programming activities. Number 8, #HopeStrongEagles is our suicide prevention program. This program is available to all students. The program allows us to provide training to all of our campus community in suicide prevention, provide prevention programming, education, and after-hours hotline to this university. Number 9, outreach programming. You will find the staff of the Counseling Center around campus on a regular basis, offering education and information about the services we offer and participating in campus community events. We also offer presentations and student success workshops. Number 10, resources. The Counseling Center offers education and information on a wide variety of topics. From brochures and pamphlets to referral information, Counseling Center staff can assist you. Online screeners may also be found on our website with follow-up information.
As you can see, we offer a variety of services to help you out with your student success here at the Counseling Center.
Visit us at the Roaden University Center, room 307, or give us a call at 931-372-3331, or check us out online at www.tntech.edu/counsel.
We have our wings up and we are #HopeStrongEagles.